Okay?
Dude, imagine, like, Eva Longoria pooping.
That's not possible.
Don't even poop.
Dude, that's not possible. Girls don't poop. Trust me.
Like, imagine the hottest girl. Now imagine her pooping.
But I can't imagine that, dude. It doesn't
Girls
happen.
don't
Girls don't. Dude, stop.
Such a BW.
Yeah. B-dub. Yo, B-dub. Calm down. Calm down.
Yo, Kyle, are we practicing tomorrow?
You think the word you get is a toilet store talking about these?
Well, hey, yo, Mike. Why shouldn't men be allowed to, or why shouldn't women be allowed to drive?
Cause there's no. Whoa.
You're about to fart.
Cause there's no war between the bedroom and the kitchen.
Why should men be allowed to drive? Because there's no road between the bar and the yard. Because that's where they go.
Kyle, that was so retarded.
I can't help it. I'm retarded.
Kyle is retarded.
Kyle is...
Oh, look, I just made his glasses.
Oh, man.
Night.
Standing in line to see the
Standing in line to see the show tonight, and there's a light on, heavy glow.
Dude, you gotta
Yo, Mike, that music last night was sick. Did you hear the way that I did that song? Ding, 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 ding.